Saanvi. In this video I'm going to teach you what a hovercraft is. Well, you probably don't know what it is, so I'm going to tell you. It's a sort of vehicle which can go on land, water, air, but it can't go on the ceiling or up a wall. Those are silly things. No vehicle can ever do that unless you have a special one. Now let's get on with this. This is a hovercraft which I made myself. First I took a disc, a CD. You can do it off any movie which you don't want anymore. And then you get this, which I've got a fruit shoot cap or a normal plastic bottle cap with a hole screwed through the middle. First you're going to put the plastic bottle cap or the fruit shoot cap and glue it on here with super glue or glue gun. Then, in the meanwhile time while it's drying, decorate it. And then, by the time it's dried, what we're going to do is fill this balloon up with air, as big as we can possibly blow it. Attach the balloon to the top, and let's see what it does now. I blowed it big, let's just twist it. Wait. If you have a bottle, you may need to pull a bit further. Now let go.